Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for the headphones Philips on your iOS device. Basically you have a few options. The first one is to create a widget, so just press and hold in empty space, then click plus or edit at the laptop, then scroll down. Oh, sorry. Yeah, click on batteries and then choose the best one widget for you. Let's say that's okay for me, then click add widget and we can check a battery level. And the second one is to use an application, so just open it and right here we can check a battery level. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.